take a gentle breath in and let it move out of you slowly. Allow yourself to feel glad that you have the next few minutes to just be here with yourself. You don't need to be strong, productive, or put together in this moment. This is a space for softness. Somewhere along the way, you learn to be hard on yourself. But today, you are remembering something important. That kindness toward yourself is not weakness. It is a quiet strength. It is healing. It is necessary. Kindness begins with remembering that you are already doing the best you can. That you are allowed to feel tired. That you are allowed to feel unsure. That things are exactly as they are meant to be. Let these words meet you gently. It is safe to be kind to myself. It is safe to slow down. It is safe to soften my inner voice. It is safe to treat myself with care and love. I allow myself to rest without guilt. I allow myself to feel without judgment. I allow myself to move at my own pace. I allow myself to communicate what I need. I can be compassionate to myself. I can be gentle with myself. I can allow my feelings to be without judging myself for having them. I can be imperfect, yet worthy of my own kindness. It is safe to speak to myself with warmth. It is safe to replace criticism with genuine understanding. It is safe to meet my mistakes with grace. It is safe to forgive myself and release guilt. Notice how your body responds when kindness towards yourself enters. Notice the easing. Notice the softening. Notice how safety begins to settle in your chest. I choose to be on my own side. I choose to be my own cheerleader instead of tearing myself down. I choose patience over pressure. I choose compassion over control. It is safe to stop pushing myself beyond my limits. It is safe to acknowledge when something is hard. It is safe to admit that I am doing my best. It is safe to let that be enough. I can grow without punishing myself. I can improve without shaming myself. I can succeed without being hard on myself. I can grow gently. I can learn kindly. It is safe to comfort myself when I am struggling. It is safe to offer myself reassurance. It is safe to respond to my pain with tenderness. It is safe to hold myself with care. Every time I choose kindness, my nervous system relaxes. Every time I soften, my body feels safer. Every time I speak gently to myself, I create space for healing. I trust that kindness does not make me weak. I trust that softness does not hold me back. I trust that compassion strengthens me. I trust that self-kindness leads me forward. It is safe to release the belief that I must be hard on myself to survive. It is safe to let go of the inner voice that criticizes. It is safe to choose a new way of talking to myself. I allow myself to be imperfect and still worthy. I allow myself to change and still be loved. I allow myself to rest and still matter. I allow myself to take up space as I am. Kindness feels unfamiliar only because I have gone without it for so long. And even so, it is safe to learn it now. It is safe to speak gently to my past. It is safe to hold compassion for my younger self. It is safe to acknowledge how far I have come. It is safe to be proud without minimizing myself. I am responsible without needing to be harder on myself. I am motivated without needing to force myself. I am worthy of success. It is safe to meet myself where I am. It is safe to stop demanding more than I can give. Take a slow, gentle breath in and let it move out of you softly. Notice how your body feels when kindness is present. Notice the sense of safety that has grown inside you. You don't need to earn this gentleness. You don't need to justify this care. Carry this kindness with you. Return to it when the inner voice becomes harsh. Remember, you are safest when you are, first, kind to yourself.